Do that again. Burp.
I think I'm going to eat
Boop. Next up is
jelly.
jelly.
Listen to Black King Pig.
Black King Pig.
Jelly! The elevator.
Who's next?
Black Piggy with Black King Pig.
Oh, who's gonna win this one? I will win this one. Run away. Am I eliminated again?
The elevator. And now it's gunned with white gun.
Two guns. Fire!
Yeah!
Where's he gone? You fall down. Ow. Ow, 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 ow. Oh, he fell down. Hi. Hi.
Bye, boy.
How can we say that hasn't been said before?
Okay. Who's going
Okay. Who's next?
is Meatballs.
Hello, Meatballs.
With ice cream.
Ice cream again? Okay, I will get you with my... the drill, the pen. Oh no, I'm nothing but a young milkshake. He's out.
The elevator.
Beep, beep, beep,
Beep, beep, beep.
Who is next?
Ice cream versus two guns.
Gun! Where's ice cream gone?
The elevator.
Oh no.
Why we not going here? Why we going to be in my team?